we're so excited to get this on Facebook Marketplace, this wisteria. It's a Chinese wisteria. I'm going to ruin your day by saying you cannot have this. You will regret. This thing is horrible. It's horrifying.
No.
Yeah, people struggle with this. It goes everywhere. It goes in the grass. It's a nightmare. Unless you're on it all the time and you really know what you're doing and you really take care of it. Oh my God, I love the videography. I'm just saying, I practically want to buy you one myself. You want an Amethyst Falls or a Kentucky something or other, which are native versions, which are beautiful also, but not a monster like this.
Oh no.
I know, I see the disappointment.
Oh no.
I know.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Can we have that as a potted thing?
Yes! Yes!
Okay.
Potted.
All right.
I love that idea.